they're okay. Yeah. And also the quality, but it's Bandai, so don't. Ooh, same as usual. Yeah. And it has this very nice clear part. This is the shield one, which is also brimming in something rainbow-like kind of effect. Yeah, very nice. And yeah, I'm right. The katana is on block plastic. Yeah. Maybe I will add something effect on that, which I will add something metallic effect, yeah, on the sword, so that it can be really seen as a katana. And this is the part of your backpack, which is very big. It's like also the old part, which has this part right here, but it's new because it doesn't have the dragoons already. Yeah, so we have here. Ooh, is this an injection? Yeah, it's a gold injection maybe. Yep, and we have a lot of stickers right there. Okay, yeah, and also another stickers. Those stickers that you've seen, a very large sticker is for the backpack. This one is for the unit. Yeah, so we have some stickers. I don't know if I will use the stickers. Let's see if which part of this kit will need those stickers, and if I can just paint them, why not? If I have something that really close to that kind of color on the stickers. Okay, so we'll have a painting for that if we can, but if not, then we will use the stickers. Okay, so yeah, that is our unleashing of our Mighty Strike Freedom Gundam from the movie Mobile Suit Gundam Seed Freedom. Okay, and it's from an HG Cosmic Era. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like these kinds of videos and contents, please do consider to like, share, comment, subscribe, and please hit that notification bell so that you will be informed for our next video. Okay, and if you want to prioritize this kit, please just comment down there below that you want this to be prioritized. Okay, so yeah, same as usual, we'll have an unboxing, a speed build, a quick look, and a full review of this kit next time. Again, speed build because this is a Bandai, so no problem on fittings maybe, but yeah, there's still some Bandais that has problem on fittings, but still, it's Bandai. The quality is superb. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much, and good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Jake De La Paz signing off, and Gumbler Show signing off. That's it. Thank you, and goodbye. Peace out. Bye.